Today we're working on a 2013 B250. What we're going to show you how to do is how to remove the bottom of the dash to get access to the ignition switch to connect our BZ4 harness. First step is we're going to use an 8mm and take off the two silver 8mm bolts holding the under panel. Once that's done, the lower panel will drop down. You'll notice that there's a knee airbag here. What you're going to do is you're going to push it towards the brake pedal assembly. To unclip the airbag. You can leave it connected and just prop it up against the side. Next step is to remove the plastic shroud on the inner steering column. Make sure that you have the steering all the way out and all the way up. Using your plastic tool, just gently go around, pushing it towards the back. Then from underneath, you just pull it out and remove it for the installation. Next step is we're going to have to reach under the dash up to the ignition switch. You're going to see there's two plastic tabs, one in the top left and one in the bottom right. If you're looking at the front of the switch here, you're going to squeeze them together while pushing the ignition switch from the front. This will allow the switch to come out of its position. Now here's where it gets a little bit tricky, but it will be feasible to do. Using your little flat screwdriver, you're going to unplug the two connectors at the switch. Below the steering column, between the dash, you'll have access to the wires. Now that we've got the two connectors disconnected, we've got our green and our blue, we're going to go ahead and connect the T-harness. You'll notice that the blue harness is a little bit smaller, so you can't mix them up. Now we've got the vehicle side connected, we're going to go ahead and connect the ignition side. Again, holding the switch with one hand from underneath and connecting with the other one. Our connections are complete. We can go ahead and push the switch back up.